Si Mamba meron na ano sa oh, yun na. Oh, pre, nakascore na pre.
Here's jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 1. Pass to the door. Pass to Turkey. 15 seconds to shoot. Down Hari Domali. Entras Domali. No good.
Boleh mo.
Jersey number 23, pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 22.
11.
Foul, jersey number.
Ito naman eh.
Jersey number 23. Pass to Bumaba. Chris Bumaba. Tumira. 2 points. From jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, pass to Domani. 15 seconds to shoot. Now only 13.
All yan.
And that's 13. Out of bounds.
30 gag.
Jersey number 22, pass to Bumabo. Dirty Baksan.
Sarap gabi. May sabihin mo pag magta-time out dito. Pag magta-time out sa gitna, sabihin mo.
13, no good. Not only jersey number 1. Jersey number 1.
Pag magta-time out sa gitna.
Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 15. Gayo to jersey number 18. Tumira. No good. Not only jersey number 1. To the ball. Pass to Bumabo. Jersey number 22. Not only jersey number 11.
15 to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Ball in ang paras grad.
Time out.
Time on the board. Ito na jersey number 22. Pass. Jersey number 11. 30 Baksan. No good. Now on the jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 15. No good. 15 again. Jersey number 15.
15. First. 15 nga. First personal foul.
First personal foul.
First team
First team foul. Subdivision.
So, Castor, dalawa lang.
Jersey number 22.
15 to shoot.
Tumira. No good. Now on jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 15.
15 to shoot.
Now on the 13 shot to Bumabo. Easy 2 points.
Score 47.
Jersey number 11 pass. 15 jersey number 15. 2 points. Ito na si jersey number 11. 30 mag-shot. Pass to Bumabo.
15 to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot.
10.
10 10 seconds to shoot.
5.
No good. Now on the jersey number 15. To jersey number 11. Jersey number 18. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
5
seconds to shoot. Ready na si jersey number 6 pass to Curtis Maxian. Curtis Maxian. Jersey number 15 again. Foul, jersey number.
Dalawa na si Troy, dalawa.
Jersey number
15. 4 points, boss. 4 point play. Di ba sila? Ilang bukas ka? Boss, wala pa, boss. Boss! Boss! Pangalawa. Pag pumasok. Ralph, man mo na yun si Pari. Advance ano? Advance substitution.
Advanced substitution.
Wala.
Now on the jersey number 6. Substitution. Pasok po, labas po ang mga pasok.
Boss, isang error lang yun, boss ah. Boss, di niya kasi abot. Ano mo naman eh.
Boss, kaya niya, ano? Face to gaming, pwede backwards.
Pwede na si Richie Kanya.
50 to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Kanya no good. Jersey number 1. Shema Hussein. 2 points.
Warning for delaying the game. Jersey number 22.
Jersey number 22. Warning for delaying the game.
Wait lang, wala pa. Alin po? Technical yung mga. Hindi ko maintindihan eh. Mag-mic ka kasi para marinig ka.
Jersey number 13.
50 to shoot.
15 seconds shoot. Richie Kanya. No good. Now on the jersey number 22. And then si jersey number 22. No good. Now he has final pass to jersey number 13 to Richie Kanya again. Richie Kanya. Pass to jersey number 13 to Curtis Maxian. Robbing violation. And then si jersey number 12. Now on the Richie Kanya. Pass to Curtis Maxian. Curtis Maxian. 2 points.
Red ball. Dalawa ka nung boy.
Jersey number 12 pass. Jersey number 13. Tumira. No good. 2 points para kay jersey number 13. Curtis Maxian. Pass to jersey number 13.
15 to shoot.
15 seconds shoot. Curtis Maxian. No good.
Foul sino foul?
Substitution. Jersey number 1. No good. Now on the jersey number 22. No good pa rin. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. No good. Jersey number 14.
Ali Berton na. 15 to shoot.
15 seconds shoot. No good. 36 2 points. Let's count in.
Sino parang
Who's foul? Jersey number
25.
25 committed.
Second.
Seventh personal foul. 17 pounds.
Boss, tumawa naman. Boss.
Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 1. To Gayo.
Ito shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Jersey number 26 committed.
Second.
Seventh personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty na.
Subdivision.
63 dito 60.
Jersey number 13.
Ito shoot.
15 Nako ni Kirky Maksan. Kirky Maksan, no good. Here's jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 0. To jersey number 22. Jersey number 22. Foul. Jersey number.
Sub daw yun.
Subdivision. Subdivision. Jersey number 13. Committed. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Gutom na ako.
Wala si Jason.
Jersey number 13. Pass to Vision Luma back to jersey number 13. 15 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Nakakabag lang. Boss, kalma na eh.
Kayo naman may
Wala.
10 seconds to shoot.
5
seconds to shoot. Jersey number 13. 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 6. Gotcha. Jersey number 25. 15 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 1. Who's there? Jersey number 22. Pass to Salcedo from jersey number 22. Pulled in by Salcedo. Out of bounds. board. Jersey number 18 pass to jersey number 11. 15 seconds shoot to jersey number 22.
Suka mo naman.
Jersey number 22.
50 to shoot.
15 seconds shoot. Kobe Makshan. No good.
Sino bola? Same. Pinagawa yung mic.
Salcedo. So, Robbie violation.
Pinyala ko na yung libot niya. 51 na to. 51 na to.
Jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number. And that's jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. They're good. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 22. To jersey number 23. No good. Now on the Maxwell send the pass to Kobe Makshan. There is more ball. 4 points. There's jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. 15 seconds to shoot. To jersey number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Wow. Jersey number. Jersey number.
Sino magkakabukas? Game 3.
Tira. Good. Tapos sa second pass na kumabo.
Sino yun? Sila to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Here's Christian Duman. Christian Duman, no good. First jersey number 11 pass to jersey number 22. Back to jersey number 11. Back to jersey number 22 again. And that's jersey number 18. 15 seconds to shoot. Andun si jersey number 15 para tumulong. Sorry ngayon, 2 points.
Mali score mo pa. 60-65. Ay, 60 tama pala pa. 15 to shoot.
Jersey number 15 to shoot. Christian Duman, no good.
10.
10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 15, Gayo. Pass to jersey number 18. No good. Christian Duman, 2 points. Jersey number 1, no good. Ako ni Tata. Pass to Kobe Makshan. Bravo.
15 to shoot. 15.
15 seconds to shoot.
Sino basket mo? 10.
10 seconds to shoot.
5. 5. Time out sa parang gano'n. Time out. Ay, mag-essay. Mag-sumot yung parang gano'n. 15 to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot.
10.
10 seconds to shoot.
Pero team foul.
To shoot.
Yes, 15 to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot.
10.
10 seconds to shoot.
Six seconds to shoot, 6 seconds.
6 seconds to shoot. Now, the shadows get plastic. Just remember,
19 seconds to shoot. Sub daw to.
Verse number 22. Just number 12. Pass to just number 5. Just number 5. Foul. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15 committed. Third. Personal foul. 13 foul. Jersey number 1. No good. No good pa rin ako na Denmark sa Sedo. Pass to jersey number 13. Curtis Maxian. That's got it. Who's foul, man? Jersey number
22.
Jersey number 22 committed. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Ako na nagbunga yung shooting.
Post ka naman yan sa Facebook. Nakabito.
Galing tira.
Jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 15. Violation. Jersey number 13.
15 to shoot.
Now holding jersey number 32. Pass through. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. No good. Nakakuha na rin po. Ito na si Bunga. 15 seconds to shoot.
10.
10 seconds to shoot.
Good job. Number 15 yun, di ba?
Jersey number 32. Nakuha ball.
15 to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot.
10.
10 seconds to shoot. Subdivision. Subdivision. Jersey number 15 na mamadali. No good. Foul. Jersey number.
Third, Denmark.
Jersey number. Third personal foul. Warning for a penalty.
Jersey number, third personal. Rep, warning pa lang. Warning for penalty pa lang. Shooting yata ako. Shooting ba?
Naman sa bola to kasi Dre.
Hindi shooting.
Yung ano kasi kanina, satali kasi kami may bukol eh.
Oo, tangin ng bola. May bukol.
Dahil sa mga mga napamadali sa mga mo. 2 points na rin. Jersey number 22. Pumapapa.
Coach mo eh.
Jersey number 22, 2 points.
Tapos baka pag ginapat kaya rin ako.
Jersey number 22. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ito na si Jersey number 15.
Foul? Denmark.
Foul. Jersey number 22 na committed.
Court.
Basket, time out.
Warning na, warning for foul down.
Warning for foul down.
Number 23.
Jersey number 23.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Kasi time out ba?
Isa-isa ako basta. Mas karami. Uy, sabihin mo.
Sabihin mo kasi boss.
Advance time out po para sa Paras Gray.
Boss, gupitin mo na yan.
Jersey number 22, 2 points.
Foul.
Kanina pa yung squad na daw nalihin. Isang goal pa lang. Lahat pang CR sa round.
Ano yan? Meron pa yung boss. Ito ako rin ako. Kita ko, boss. Ano napasok ko?
Player ng San Francisco yun eh.
Jersey number 22, Kumabo.
15.
15 seconds to shoot.
Clock 10. 10.
Jersey number 1. Foul. Jersey number.
Hold out na.
Jersey number 23 committed.
Hold out. Hold out na pa. Kinantaan mo na naman. Tama, boss.
Your graduate na po.
Tapos lang matangkad. Matangkad.
Nakdown din yun.
Tayo.
Hindi pa lang kung gawin.
Oh, sinapit lang kita, boss. Wala nang tao sila. Oh, wala nang boss.
Get the shot.
15 seconds to shoot.
10. Wala na pala.
Jersey number 1. Foul. Jersey number 22 committed. Third personal foul. 10. Penalty.
Bili mo naman kasi ito so isisigawan niyan mamaya.
Wala kami, pinila.
Ba't yung pasakin, pinangalan natin?
Talo sa ako eh. Sabi ko, doon na.
Nagbutak yun eh.
ano lang.
Walang foul, wala. Walang foul lang.
Kaya Kenlyn na naman.
Pinapangkain naman.
Jersey number 22. Foul, jersey number.
Second.
Jersey number 1, limited. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 22. Bumabong again. Jersey number 11, limited. Fourth personal foul. Third team foul.
Ans po yun, ans po. Pag ans po si Bok, pag Bok po si Bok. Ans po, Paul daw.
Jersey number 11. Anspo.
Paul daw na Bok. Graduate na.
Jersey number 11.
Graduate.
Graduate ka na po.
Personal plus ans.
Nagamit namin kanina yan.
Yung ano, yung kay Rudney.
Hindi niya kanina sa ads po.
Ans po si Rudney, napapasok namin ng ano.
Malas habang tatlong lang talo. Portillo, SPN, 16 tayo. Kasi 17 sila.
Hindi na tayo lalaro doon. Online. Hindi na tayo lalaro.
Di na lalaro. Sa Ises.
Walang jersey sa akin.
Di na lalaro.
Walang jersey pa rin. Isa lang. Pero
Pag ina mo gusto yun.
Here's Bumabo. To Christian Duma. 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 15. 2 points. Bushara Hussein. 2 points. Foul. Jersey number
22 court personal.
Jersey number 22 committed. Third personal foul.
Warning.
Warning.
Graduation and penalty.
For penalty. Here's Bumabo. Foul. Jersey number 18 committed. Foul. Foul. Kanapo.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Panalo na. Panalo, Paris!
F na po.
15 kita.
Dapat dito kayo.
Ay, buwan na ka. Bakit masang edit sa'yo kanina?
Dati. Ayan, panalo na.